I pull up to the front of the club, open the door, brought some dirty boys with me, so you better hit the flow. And we came to make it rain, and you came for some attention. Duffel bag full of money, plus the 40 I ain't mentioned. Cause even on the rainiest day, I'm never slipping. And I keep a suitcase full of iron in case you tripping. Yeah, my niggas posted off in the back, late in the cut. Got 3 bitches popping bottles, got 2 splitting the Dutch. Now it's 4 out of 5 that wanna do something. Had to kick 1 out for bumping the gums. They wanna chew, nah, about to lose my mind. Yeah, I'm talking amnesia. This ain't the last bottle. Tell the club owner to check his freezer. Plus I'm in my own zone. Damn, they got my eyes closed. Club so packed, can't get no reception off of my phone. I'm feeling Kodak, money in purple. Yeah, I blowed it. If I ain't pissing out the 1800, then it's the cone. Yeah, if you ain't that nigga rolling my blunt, don't get it twisted. If you got a man, tell me you ain't got a lot of kick it. Hey.